Hi guys, welcome back to Exam Experts. In this video, we are going to see about History Class 7 Tracing Changes Through 1000 Years. New and Old Terminologies. Historical records exist in variety of languages. The term Hindustan was coined by Minhaji Siraj, a chronicler who wrote in Persian for area around Punjab and Haryana. These areas are known as Hindustan. Later, this become to mention many part of India. And the lands between the Ganga and Yamuna, Babur used Hindustan to describe the flora and fauna and culture of the inhabitants of the subcontinent. Nowadays, this subcontinent refers to whole India. 14th century poet Amir Kushan used this word Hind in his poet. New social and political group. The study of the 1000 years between 700 and 1750 is the huge challenge in historian largely become of the scale and variety of development that occurred on that period. In this period was very difficult to study the past days. It was period of great mobility. On such group of people were Rajputs. Other group of warriors were Madras, Silks, Jats, Ahoms and Satyas. Throughout this period, there were gradual clearing of forest and extension of agriculture. Challenges in their habitat forced many forest dwellers to migrate. As a society became more differentiated, people were grouped into jatis or subcastes and ranked on their basis of their backgrounds and their occupation. Ranks were not fixed permanently and varied according to the power, influence, and resources controlled by the member of jati. A major development of this period was the emergence of the idea of bhakti. The teaching of Holy Quran was also brought to India in the 17th century. Followers of Islam were divided into two subcastes, that is Shia Muslims and Sunni Muslims. Regions and empires. Large states like those of Cholas, the Tughlaqs of Mughal encompassed many regions. A Sanskrit Prasasti that praises Delhi Sultan Bal- Balban tells that he was the ruler of the vast empire that stretched from Bengal in the east to Ghazni in Afghanistan in the west and include all of South India, that is Dravid parts. There were considerable conflicts between various states. When the Mughal Empire declined in 18th century, it led to re-emergence of religional states. This is how the religional and the empire came into existence on those days. Old and new religion. Religion was often closely associated with the social and economic organization of local communities. It was during the period that important changes occurred in religion. It included the worship of new deities, construction of temple by royalty, and the growing importance of Brahmanas in the Hindu religion. Knowledge of Sanskrit helped Brahmanas to earn respect. Islam was practiced by many rulers, that is, the Mughal Empire, Delhi Sultans, and many other rulers. Historical periods. The British historians divided the history of India into three periods, that is, Hindu, Muslim, and British. Most historians look to economic and social factors to categorize the major elements of different monuments of the past. The life of hunter gatherer, early farmers, and early empires were called early societies. The growth of numeral states, formation, development of Hinduism and Islam as a major religion and arrived on those days. European trading companies were called the medieval period. The last era was called the Old and new religion. Religion was often closely associated with the social and economic organization of local communities. It was during the period that important changes occurred in religion. It included the worship of new deities, construction of temples by loyalty, the growing importance of Brahmanas in the Hindu religion, knowledge of Sanskrit helped Brahmanas to earn respect. Islam was patronized by the people. Historical periods. The British historian divided Indian history into three parts, that is, Hindu, Muslim, and British. Most historians look to economic and social factors to categorize the major elements of different monuments of the past. The life of hunters gatherers, early farmers, and early empires were called early society. The growth of numerical state formation, development of Hinduism and Islam as major religion, and the arrival of the people started here. European trading companies were called the medieval period. The last era was called the modern period, which carried sense of material progresses and intellectual development. Prosperity during this period throughout European trading companies to India. Some important technical terms to be noted in this chapter. Cartographer, the artist who is skilled in drawing of making maps. Chronicler, one who writes history or pens down the event of the time from the historical point of view. Archives, a collection of historical documents or records of the government, a family, or a place or an organization, the place where these records are stored. Manuscripts, the original scripts written by the author in his or her own handwriting. Habitat, the living condition of this species are called as habitat. Patron, a person who influence and uh, affluence the provides support with money and mental boost up to an artist, a craftsman, a learned man or a noble or some other person of such categories. Jati, a subcaste which was defined or indefined on the basis of one's profession, status and influence. Region, the particular area designated or occupied by a certain group or empire. 17th century AD, the teaching of the Holy Quran brought to India in this AD.